Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing well. Today we're looking at another interesting product that caught my attention, something simple, useful, and worth sharing with you. You know, it's always fun to discover items that make everyday life a little easier. Sometimes it's not about big or expensive things. It's those small, smart ideas that save you time, help you stay organized, or just make your day smoother. Take a moment to look at the details. Notice how it's designed, how it feels, and the little things that make it different. I always believe good design isn't just about looks, it's about how well something works in real life. I try to keep these reviews simple and honest, so you can decide for yourself if this product is something you might find useful, whether it's for your home, your desk, or your daily routine. I like sharing products that actually deliver on what they promise. While you're watching, think about how this could fit into your lifestyle. Maybe it solves a small problem you've had, or maybe it's just something cool to have around. Either way, discovering new ideas like this is always exciting. If you enjoy watching these kinds of short, genuine reviews, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. I share simple, honest looks at trending and practical items from all around the world, so there's always something new to explore. Thanks a lot for spending your time here. I really appreciate your support and feedback. It helps me keep creating videos just like this one. Stay curious, keep exploring, and I'll see you again in the next video.